I think we are at very advanced stage of issuing the NOC for NSE IPO, maybe within this month. So one of the ways that we are doing is through looking at the social media, and wherever we find that there is transgression, we are asking the platforms to take it down. So there is about more than 100,000 such takedowns have taken place over the last few months, and this will be intensified.
Also, you said that more than 5,000 per month it has been done. Is AI tool also being used for the same kind of issue?
Yes, AI Sudarshan, we have developed a tool, AI Sudarshan, through which we are able to scan and also decipher that wherever the transgressions are taking place, so that we can pinpoint which one to be taken down.
Given persistent retail interest in digital gold and similar products offered by fintech platforms, is SEBI considering any regulatory oversight or investor safeguard for these products?
No, at this stage we have clarified that we have already these gold products are there in terms of the ETFs. The ETFs mutual funds are doing, and is possible. It's a regulated one, and then also there is a product called EGR where this can also be done. There are some issues in EGRs, so they have not really taken off. But ETFs is one where it is going on, and we are not planning any further regulations.
Is SEBI planning any additional measures in investors' education, risk disclosures, or product transparency to protect retail investors in high-risk market segments such as derivatives?
In the derivatives, we have taken a number of measures, as you know. Earlier, first in October 24, and then in May 25, and the last of the measures got kicked in December 25. So we are looking at the data, and after the data is there, we will be able to define our next course of action. So at this moment, I don't think that we are going to disturb anything.
And with an increase in fraud cases where scammers misuse SEBI's name and logo to dupe the investors, is SEBI planning any initiative to check such practices like public awareness, collaboration with the law enforcement agencies, etc. in the coming days, or it has been already started?
Yes, it has been. It's intensified. In fact, SEBI has written to all the states, chief secretaries and Director General of Police, and we have requested for nodal officers. Many states have nominated their nodal officers. We have had trainings also, and we are creating a network where police also has a better knowledge about SEBI activities and about the securities law, and a coordinated action is taken against such thing. As you know, we have also done a lot of SEBI check, and we have created this tool, SEBI check and UPI valid. Now, this tool is available as SEBI check tool is available as a part of our own app, SEBI's app, or it can also be downloaded from SEBI's website. This tool, this app, SEBI check, allows you within 30 seconds to know whether a particular bank account or a QR code or a UPI handle is the approved handle or approved account for the securities market. So if anybody is wanting you to actually put some money there for the securities market or for stock market, then within 30 seconds you can check either other way. So this is one where we want to, through you also, want to tell people to use this tool so that they don't actually put money into some cloned apps or some other mule accounts where then they don't get any protection, because that money is just swindled away like a typical fraud. So this is one area again we would like to see that, but much more needs to be done in terms of making people aware that such a tool we have done. We have launched it from 1st of October 25.
And it is said that Indian markets are overvalued. Would you like to make some comment on this field?
There is no comment on that, because where you are doing and what is the value. Value is to be determined by the investors, and investors are finding value in different scripts in different points of time at different value, and it is very difficult to say me to comment on any valuation matters.
So, would you like to comment on the status of much awaited NSE IPO and what stage of approval it is, and lots of retail investors are more interest on this thing?
I think we are at very advanced stage of issuing the NOC for NSE IPO.
Then, when can we expect?
Maybe within this month.
One final question on, as you've been there in Chennai right now, you said that there are a lot of interest by Tamil language people to be in SEBI, to be in the part of it. How is it going on, and how are you going to expand your SEBI in various parts of the country?
So one of the very important part which comes out of our survey that we did last time and in July, and then released it also in our website, is that we can reach out through investor awareness in the best way if we are able to address it in a multilingual way, through and different creative ways. And therefore, we have decided that our campaign, investor awareness campaign going forward, will be designed in a multilingual, multi-agency and multimedia format.
And also it's in a short form, shorts like things.
Yes, sure, because that is what I said, multimedia. Now if you have a shorts and the reels as a media, that can also come in important messages, but there has to be also the completeness of that message through actually telling, but making it interesting, because we also know that lots of younger generation, they are coming to the securities market, and so therefore what appeals to them will be of extreme interest to us as well.